Ah, there you are. Okay, we have something new in our pile of toys. You know, for quite a while I'm working on getting my walk around videos as smooth as possible. So in the beginning I had the Neckholder, which is anything but smooth, and then I bought a gimbal with varying success. It worked for what it is. It works really well, but not 100% what I wanted. Then I bought the Z-axis for the gimbal. That made a hell of a difference. So from then on the videos were rather smooth, except for one thing. The up and down movement of the gimbal, that was gone, but one cannot walk at a constant speed. So every time you do a step, you speed up, then you slow down, you speed up, slow down, and so on. So you can see that on the videos. Unless you do the Groucho Marx walk, which I can't, then you have absolutely no hope of getting anywhere. So I tried other things. First things I did, I bought a monopod, mounted the gimbal with the Z-axis on top of the monopod, and put at the bottom a block of rubber and then a large wheel from a children's bike, because the bigger the wheel, the less bumpy the whole thing is when you roll it around. So I put all that together only to find out that that is absolutely not workable. You either control the gimbal or you control the monopod, but you can't control both with one hand. And if you use two hands, you're walking into the thing because it has to be in front of you. So I discarded that one and sort of said, okay, so that's the way it is for the rest of the time. We have to deal with it. And getting more and more annoyed, I would say, with that whole setup. Anyhow, lately I had an idea. What about the e-scooters? If I use the Neckholder, use the image stabilization of the camera, then being on the e-scooter slowly rolling around, and then use also the stabilization of Final Cut Pro to smooth it further out. And the idea was I'm getting one of these e-scooters you can get in the city. There are plenty of them laying around, so I downloaded the app so I can pay for it. And then one of my friends told me that he has an e-scooter in his garage which he doesn't use. And I asked if I can borrow it, and he said, yeah, most certainly. So yesterday I did the first try. I put the Neckholder on and then went up the road and then said, okay, let's do a little video here, so proof of the concept, because I had to go to the petrol station to pump up the tires, only to find out that the petrol station has taken the hoses inside. So yeah, okay, that didn't work. Anyhow, so I did that. I put the camera into the new Neckholder, the one with the magnetic thing that's a much sturdier than the other one, because the other one broke apart the other day and nearly the telephone hit the deck, so that was not very good. So I discarded all these old ones. So I bought the new one and put it around my neck, and off I went. And what should I say? That's exactly what I wanted. So the camera takes all the bumps out, and then the software does the rest. So that works extremely well. So what I will do now, today, I will throw the e-scooter into the back of the car, go to a petrol station, pump the tires up, and then we'll do another run. Okay, so there's more to come. Hang in, and I will report. Okay, guys, see you later. Have fun. Bye-bye.